Hey there party people, I'm Cătălin from Telescopic, and get ready to turn up the volume and elevate your party game with the all-new JBL PartyBox Stage 320. This ultimate party machine is packed with powerful sound and dynamic lighting effects that will take your party to the next level.
You on the dance floor. Can you meet me on the dance floor?
With 240 watts of pure JBL sound, you'll be able to keep the party going all night long. But that's not all. The PartyBox Stage 320 also features a built-in light show that will keep the dance floor lit up and buzzing. So grab your friends, cramp up with the music, and let the JBL PartyBox Stage 320 be the life of your party. Get yours now, and let's get this party started. I recently heard the JBL PartyBox Stage 320, and I have to say I'm totally impressed with the speaker. As someone who loves to host parties and outdoor events, I was looking for a powerful and reliable speaker that could provide high quality sound and keep the party going all night long. The PartyBox Stage 320 has exceeded all my expectations. First of all, the design of this speaker is sleek and modern. It has a sturdy build and it's easy to transport with its built-in wheels and handle. The LED lights add a fun and festive touch, making it perfect for any party settings. But the real star of the show is the sound quality. The JBL PartyBox Stage 320 boasts a 240 watt RMS output, which means it can deliver a powerful and clear sound even in large outdoor spaces. The bass is deep and punchy without being overpowering, and the highs and mids are crisp and well defined. I was blown away by how well it could fill up a room with sound without any distortions. One of the standout features of this speaker is its wireless connectivity. It has Bluetooth and NFC capabilities, allowing you to easily connect your phone or other devices and play your favorite tunes without any hassle. It has also a USB port, an aux input, and a mic guitar input, making it versatile for different types of events. The PartyBox Stage 320 also has a handy DJ pad that lets you mix and scratch your music like a pro. But what really sets this speaker apart from others in the market is its PartyBox app. This app allows you to control the speaker settings, customize the LED lights, and even add sound effects to your music. It's a fun and interactive way to enhance your party experience.
Yeah, I'll meet you on the dance floor. Can you meet me on the dance floor?
I also appreciate the long-lasting battery life of the PartyBox Stage 320. It can last up to 18 hours on a single charge, so I never have to worry about the music stopping in the middle of the party. And when the battery does run low, it has a quick charge feature that can give you an hour of playtime with just 15 minutes of charging.
ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. Too far, get to cross. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. So they might be big in the game, like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get to glance. I'm ready to eat up track like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's best.
Overall, the JBL PartyBox Stage 320 delivers impressive sound quality that is sure to elevate any party or event. Its powerful output, customizable sound modes and versatile connectivity options make it a top choice for music lovers and partygoers alike. Without a doubt, the PartyBox Stage 320 is a must-have for anyone looking for high quality and immersive sound experience. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Also, let me know in the comments what you thought of the video, and if you have any suggestion for future content. I love hearing from you all, and it helps me create videos that you want to see. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms and updates of upcoming videos. Till next time guys, have a nice day and stay safe.